Have you ever wished Microsoft OneNote had better search, automation, and shortcuts? Well, there's a free tool that adds all of those features. The surprising part is that Microsoft didn't build it. It's called Onetastic, and if you use OneNote on Windows, this is one of the best free add-ins you can install. Let's see what it can do. Onetastic is an add-in for the desktop version of Microsoft OneNote. It adds powerful tools that make OneNote faster, smarter, and easier to use. The best feature is called OneCalendar. Instead of searching through multiple notebooks, OneCalendar shows every note you've edited, organized by date. Imagine you had a meeting last Tuesday. Instead of searching through dozens of pages, simply open OneCalendar, click Last Tuesday, and your meeting notes appear instantly. It's fast, simple, and saves a lot of time. Another great feature is macros. Macros let you automate repetitive tasks with a single click. For example, you can automatically create a table of contents, sort notebook pages, insert horizontal lines, or format your notes. The best part is that hundreds of ready-made macros are available, so you don't need any programming skills. Onetastic also includes a favorites feature. You can pin your most important notes directly to the toolbar. Whether it's your daily planner, project notes, or shopping list, your favorite pages are always one click away. Now, let's install it. Open your web browser and visit the official Onetastic website. Download the installer for Microsoft OneNote Desktop. Run the installer and complete the setup. If OneNote is already open, close it and launch it again. You'll now see a new Onetastic tab in the OneNote ribbon. Click that tab to access OneCalendar, macros, favorites, and all the other tools. It's that easy. Keep in mind that Onetastic only works with the desktop version of Microsoft OneNote. It does not work with the web version or the mobile apps. If you use OneNote every day, Onetastic can save you time, improve your productivity, and make organizing your notes much easier. And the best part is that the core features are available for free. Give it a try and see how much better OneNote becomes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows, Microsoft Office, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.